Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best torque sticks in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best torque sticks that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the ARES 70367 torque stick set. The ARES 70367 is a torque-limiting extension bar set that comes with 1/2 drive 8-inch long chrome and molybdenum-made impact-grade bars. Specially designed to work with an electric or pneumatic impact tool, each bar limits its effective output to a specific amount of torque by flexing when that certain amount is exceeded to absorb it and prevent over-tightening. Made with resilient chrome/molybdenum steel with rust/corrosion-resistant coating of manganese phosphate. Perfect for tightening hard-to-reach places and will prevent over-tightening on rounded lug nuts, sheared stud bolts, and warped rotors. It's color-coded too. This product is no-brainer a winner. People say that it's perfect for its price and a great value for their money. It's also, of course, very accurate, and because of its color coding, it is very easy to use. Every car enthusiast is recommended to have this on their arsenal. There are some reports about its durability, thought that there are instances that the sticks are not that durable, and that a few experienced that the product snapped in half in just a few days of use. But overall, this product is a steal and works very well. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Genius Tools TO410EXT Dr. Torque. The Genius Tools Dr. Torque Extension Bar Set is la creme de la creme of torque sticks kits, thanks to the superior accuracy and equally superior premium quality and feels. The best part about it is its appearance. All other torque sticks look almost the same, while Genius Tools opted to go in completely another direction with the TO410EXT. Instead of using small aluminum rings, Genius Tools torque sticks are each assigned a unique color corresponding to a torque rating, making identification even quicker. How genius! As with the previous models, the TO410EXT also comes with a plastic blow-molded case to neatly organize all 10 sticks. The case is also helpful for easy transportation and makes storage a whole lot simpler. If you are in the market for something different and uniquely premium, this is definitely the genius way to go. Okay, no more pun, I promise. But seriously though, if you need the best torque stick set out there, get this one. You won't regret it. At number 3, we have the Neiko 0245OA wheel torque sticks. This was our highlighted pick earlier, and we'll discuss it more in detail. This drive torque limiting extension bar set comes in a 5-piece 65 to 140 feet per pound chrome/molybdenum steel package. This torque limiters are very durable, used for heavy-duty impact drivers. It's specially designed to limit lug nuts and fasteners from over-torquing. Sticks are color-coded and engraved with its torque limit for long-lasting and easier identification. Spring-loaded ball feature on male end to secure sockets and ball hole at the drive end to lock onto your impact tool driver to prevent dropping during operation. It's one of those products where you can't find any negative reviews for it. It's because of one simple thing: it works exactly how it is advertised. Very durable, very accurate, and a very good value for your money. Good to have wheel torque sticks for all your needs. There are some complaints about inaccuracy, but not as much as to tarnish its reputation as our top pick. It's a great choice for sure. Just check all of the reviews online, you won't be disappointed. For a simple tool, not that expansive, it's definitely a good buy for you. At number 2, we have the ABN Torque Limiting Socket Extension Bar Toolkit. If you are looking for a wider torque range, the ABN Torque Limiting Extension Bar Toolkit is what you need. It is a 10-piece set including sticks rated at 65, 75, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, and 150 feet lbs. Such a wide range will allow you to work on pretty much any passenger vehicle out there, but also box trucks and commercial fleets. All sticks in this set are constructed from chromium molybdenum steel for optimum strength and durability. They are then coated in manganese phosphate that acts as a protective layer to prevent rust or corrosion. For easy identification, each stick has a unique colored aluminum ring. And worth mentioning, since color-coded rings tend to fade after years of abuse, ABN also laser-etched each stick so they can be identified even if the rings were damaged. ABN's torque stick set features a spring-loaded detent ball locking mechanism on the male end to prevent the attached socket from dropping when moving your impact wrench around. Even the lead-in section is chamfered to provide the socket with optimum grip. The ABN model is a great entry-level option for those who need a wider torque range than 5-piece sets can offer. If you work on bigger vehicles than cars, SUVs, and pickups, this might be the one for you. And finally, at number 1, we have the Capri Tools 30083 Torque. Those familiar with the world of automotive repair and diagnostic equipment would know the name Capri Tools quite well. It is a premium brand that develops high-quality power tools, wrenches, clamping tools, and more. The 30083 Torque Limiting Extension Bar Set is another such example of premium craftsmanship and quality. This torque sticks set comprises 5 1/2 drive sticks, each measuring 8 inches in length. Capri Tools has constructed the sticks from premium chrome molybdenum steel and then heat-treated them to increase strength and durability even further. As a result, these torque sticks are extremely tough and can handle years of abuse without any issues. Furthermore, each torque stick in the set has a premium feel to it, complemented by the immaculate black finish. Besides, the sticks are also color-coded for easy identification. And portability will never be an issue, thanks to a molded plastic carrying case with separate compartments for each stick. It is important to note that since Capri Tools is a premium brand, its tools usually don't come cheap. However, it's not the case here, as the Capri Tools 30083 Torque Limiting Extension Bar Set is quite affordable, making it an absolute steal. If I was in the market for a new torque stick set, this is one of the models I would highly consider.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.